How to send the stars in your Monopoly Go. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can send the stars in your Monopoly. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Monopoly, and here in the bottom right corner there is the option of the album. You have to click on it, and from here as you can see that here is the epic wins to complete the album. So here you have to find out the star album to send the stars on your Monopoly. So what you have to do is simply click on this album of your stars album, and you just have to complete of this set that is out of 12 and many more. So once you complete the album you are able to get the stars, or you can also exchange your duplicate stars. And after that you have to select the stars for your reward, and you just have to claim it. And after claiming your stars you are able to send the stars on your Monopoly to anyone that you want to send. So this is how you can send the stars in your Monopoly Go. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.